Johnny just came back. He's getting the canoe tipped over. There he goes. Emma just returned from their canoeing trip. Yep, there comes Mary. She's carrying her own weight. That's good. Helping bring stuff in. Did you have fun canoeing? Oh wait, you're Lisa. I thought you was Mary coming in.
I had fun trying to take a picture of them, but then the
Did you have fun canoeing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where'd you go?
Down to the small end of the lake.
Okay. Did you get to paddle at all?
Yeah, I got to paddle the way there and some of the way back, but it was hard paddling against the current.
Oh.
So Mom took my place.
Oh, that's good. I'm glad you made it back safe. Hello!
Hello.
Did you have fun?
Certainly we did.
Good.
With my two lovely ladies.
Phenomena. Phenomena.